Ensuring your family's safety starts with being prepared. Today on Tech Talk Reviews, we're exploring the best first aid kits for home, highlighting essential supplies that every household should have for emergencies and everyday accidents. Number 1. Be Smart, Get Prepared 326-piece First Aid Kit. The Be Smart, Get Prepared 326-piece First Aid Kit is a comprehensive solution designed to handle a wide variety of minor injuries and emergencies, making it a must-have for any home, car, or outdoor adventure. Containing 303 essential pieces, this kit provides everything needed to treat cuts, scrapes, lacerations, bleeds, stings, and more. Its compact and portable design makes it ideal for hiking, camping, running, or travel, ensuring that you can carry professional-grade first aid treatment wherever life takes you. The kit's thoughtful organization allows for quick access to supplies when time is critical, and each compartment is clearly labeled for efficient use during emergencies. Beyond practicality, this kit also contributes to social good, as each purchase supports orthopedic surgeries for disabled children, offering buyers a meaningful impact alongside personal preparedness. Manufactured by Total Resources International, the leading first aid kit manufacturer in the USA, it guarantees quality and reliability. Users can expect durable materials that withstand regular use and outdoor conditions. While it is a robust kit, there is a warning regarding certain chemicals present in some components, including aspirin, diisonanyl phthalate or DINP, and titanium dioxide, which are known to cause health risks according to California's Proposition 65. Nevertheless, with proper awareness and use, this kit offers unmatched versatility. It's particularly suited for those who seek a high-volume, well-stocked first aid solution that combines portability, social responsibility, and professional-grade quality. Number 2. Johnson & Johnson All-Purpose Portable First Aid Kit. The Johnson & Johnson All-Purpose Portable First Aid Kit is a compact, versatile, and highly reliable emergency kit designed to provide essential care in a wide range of situations. With 140 carefully selected pieces, it's ideal for homes, vehicles, dorm rooms, camping trips, or even daily commuting, offering practical solutions for minor injuries like cuts, scrapes, burns, insect bites, skin rashes, and other common ailments. Its thoughtfully organized contents include cleansing wipes, gauze pads, assorted bandages, rolled gauze, antibiotic cream, itch stopping cream, acetaminophen caplets, and an instant cold pack, ensuring a comprehensive response to both minor wounds and discomfort. The inclusion of Band-Aid brand adhesive bandages and gauze pads guarantees high-quality wound care, while full-size Neosporin and extra-strength Benadryl creams help prevent infection and relieve itching. Additional features such as Tylenol Extra Strength caplets, a Bengay Cold Pack, 2 pairs of gloves, and a first aid guide enhance usability, making it an all-in-one emergency solution. The kit's compact size ensures portability without sacrificing comprehensiveness, fitting easily in backpacks, glove compartments, or cabinets. This makes it particularly convenient for travelers, campers, and families with children, as it delivers professional care in a portable format. Number 3. First Aid Only 299-piece All-Purpose First Aid Kit. The First Aid Only 299-piece All-Purpose First Aid Kit is designed for extensive coverage of minor injuries and emergency situations, offering a versatile solution for home, workplace, or outdoor activities. This kit is packed with 299 essential pieces that cater to cuts, scrapes, burns, stings, and other minor injuries, making it highly suitable for families, sports enthusiasts, and travelers. Following First Aid Only's rigorous standards for reliability and effectiveness, this kit is also highly user-friendly, with clear labeling and instructions for proper usage, which is especially helpful for individuals with minimal first aid experience. Its versatile nature ensures that it can serve as both a primary and supplemental first aid solution, capable of handling multiple minor injuries simultaneously. Number 4. Adventure Medical Kit's First Aid 2.0 Family. The Adventure Medical Kit's First Aid 2.0 Family Kit is specifically designed to provide robust, comprehensive care for families and groups during outdoor adventures, travel, or home emergencies.
It is a meticulously curated first aid solution that balances portability, practicality, and professional-grade medical supplies. Durability is another strength, as the kit is designed to withstand outdoor conditions, ensuring that contents remain protected and usable when needed. Whether for a family camping trip, a hiking expedition, or everyday household emergencies, the Adventure Medical Kit's First Aid 2.0 Family Kit provides a reliable, all-in-one solution. Its thoughtful design, comprehensive contents, and portability make it an excellent choice for those seeking an efficient, high-quality first aid kit that prioritizes safety, convenience, and readiness for any situation.
Number 5. Protect Life 200-Piece First Aid Kit. The Protect Life 200-Piece First Aid Kit is a compact and well-equipped emergency solution designed for home, car, office, or outdoor use. Containing 200 essential pieces, this kit addresses common minor injuries such as cuts, scrapes, burns, insect bites, and minor burns, making it an ideal choice for families, travelers, and outdoor enthusiasts. Protect Life has designed this kit with durability in mind, ensuring that the storage case protects contents from moisture, dust, and physical damage. This makes it suitable for outdoor activities like camping, hiking, and road trips, as well as indoor emergencies. No matter where life takes you, having a reliable first aid kit ensures safety and peace of mind. From home use to outdoor adventures, these kits provide essential supplies to handle emergencies quickly and effectively. Choose the one that fits your needs and stay prepared for any situation, because being ready can make all the difference.